Hi, welcome to the CUTCO family. You're watching this video because recently you were given CUTCO, and we wanted to take a second to explain a little bit about what the gift is, what you were given, and how to use it. So if you haven't heard of CUTCO, just so you know, we are the #1 selling brand of kitchen cutlery in North America. In fact, all of our kitchen products are American made and have been so since the day we started business. So let's take a second and show you what gift is that you were given and how to use it correctly so you have the best experience. Now, the gift you were given comes with two amazing pieces, the spatula spreader and our super shears. Let me show you how they work. The spatula spreader, and this is one of my personal favorites, and you're gonna find you can use this for a lot of different things. Most obviously, sandwiches. It's very flexible, which means it's gonna be very easy to get into jars of peanut butter and jelly. You can scoop, spread, and cut, all with one tool. This edge is also sharp enough to cut tomatoes if you need those for your sandwich as well. But you can also use it for avocados because it can go around the seed really easily with the sharp part, and then the dull side you can use to score and scoop out the avocado. A great thing you can use it for is mangoes because you can use it for cutting along the seed and scoring the inside as well. Now, last but not least, this is amazing for cutting all your desserts or any casseroles or anything that's gonna be in a dish or pan. In the back side, you can use to scoop right underneath and get yourself a perfect slice. The super shears are amazing. They can be used on all sorts of things from paper, cardboard, plastic. I'm gonna show you how they work on a penny. And even afterwards, you can still cut paper, open packages, and they can be used on herbs, and you can even take them apart for easy cleaning. And the best part about our product isn't necessarily the sharpness of it, it's really how we stand behind it with our forever guarantee, which means if anything ever happens to the product, if it gets damaged, chips, melts, or breaks, we will fix or replace that product for free forever. Also, if they ever go dull or when they go dull, we will guarantee to resharpen them for free whenever you want. You can either request a service tech to come out to your house and sharpen them for free, or you can mail them back to our factory in Olean, New York. We'll take care of it there as well. So that's it. We hope you enjoy your CUTCO. Have a wonderful day, and don't forget, stay sharp.